In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Fabric and Fabric mods to any version of Minecraft on your Mac. Before we get started, it's important to note that you will need to have Java installed to your Mac, so if you don't have it already, I will leave that tutorial linked in the description below. The first thing we need to do is to download the Minecraft version files so we can install Fabric later. To do this, you want to open your Minecraft launcher, and then you want to select the version of Minecraft you want to install Fabric for. So for this example, it's going to be 1.21.4. Once Minecraft has opened, this means the files have been downloaded, so we can quit the game, and now we just need to go ahead and download Fabric. To download Fabric, we first need to open our web browser, and you want to go to fabricmc.net, and I'll leave this linked in the description below. From here, you want to click on the download button, and then you want to click on download installer, and then you want to go ahead and save the installer to your Mac, and for this example, I'm going to save it to my desktop. We also need to download the Fabric API so our mods work correctly. So to do this, you want to click on the Fabric API link below the download button, and this will take you to the CurseForge website. So from here, you want to click on the Files tab, and then you want to scroll down and you want to find the version of the Fabric API that you are modding Minecraft for. So for this example, we are modding Minecraft 1.21.4, so we are going to find that version right here and click on it, and then you want to click on the download button. After 5 seconds, the download should automatically start, and then you want to go ahead and download the Fabric API to your Mac. So for this example, I'm going to download it to my desktop. The final thing we need to do is to download the mods. So to do this, you want to open your web browser, and again you want to go to a modding website of your choice, and for this example I'm using modroof.com. From here you want to scroll down and click on Discover Mods, and then you want to go ahead and choose the mods you want to download. So for this example, we are going to download the sodium mod. Inside the mod page, you want to click on the Versions tab, and then you want to scroll down and you want to click on the version of the mod that you are playing Minecraft with. So for this example, it's going to be 1.21.4, and you want to make sure it's for the Fabric platform. So we're going to click on it, and then you want to click on the green download button, and again you want to save it to your Mac, and this example I'm going to save it to my desktop. Now we've downloaded Fabric and the Fabric API and mods, we just need to go ahead and install Fabric. So to do this, you want to open it up, and if you get this error message, it means we need to approve it in the system settings. So to do this, you want to click on the Apple logo in the top left hand corner, and then you want to click on System Settings. Once you're inside System Settings, you want to scroll down until you find Privacy and Security, and then you want to scroll all the way down in that setting until you find the Fabric installer listed. Here you want to click on Open Anyway. You then want to click on Open Anyway, and then you may need to enter in your Mac password or Touch ID. Once you've done this, the Fabric installer will open and it will look like this. Now we want to make sure we're on the Client tab at the very top, and in the Minecraft versions drop down menu, you want to select the one you want to install Fabric for. So for this example, it's 1.21.4. For the loader version, you just want to keep this on the default selected version, and then you want to make sure Create Profile has been selected. Once you've done this, you want to click on Install, and Fabric will successfully be installed after a couple of seconds. And once it's done this, you want to click on OK, and then we can close out of the Fabric installer, and we can delete it from our Mac if you'd wish to do so. Now we just need to install the Fabric API and the Fabric mods. So to do this, you want to open your Minecraft launcher, and then you want to click on the Installations tab at the top, and you should see the Fabric loader. If you don't see this, you may need to restart your Minecraft launcher. From here, you want to click on the file icon, and this will open up your installation folder. From here, you want to find the mods folder. However, if you don't have one, you may need to create one. So to do this, you want to click on the circle icon at the top, and click on New Folder, and you want to rename it Mods. Once you've done this, you want to click into it. And now we simply need to drag and drop the Fabric API and our Fabric mods into this folder. Now we've done this, we can exit out of the file installation, and to play Minecraft with the Fabric mods, you want to go ahead and make sure you've selected it in the Profile drop down menu. Now we've done this, you want to click on Play. Once Minecraft has loaded, you know you've done this correctly because it will say your Minecraft version /Fabric and modded in brackets in the bottom left hand corner. So for this example, our sodium mod is located in Options, Video Settings, and here you can see the sodium options. You can go ahead and change these to how you'd like. So now we've done this, we can go ahead and start playing Minecraft just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.